Hi friends, Sarvesham Swagatam. Today a Subhashita Kalpadrumaha Kalpitameva Sute Sakamadhuk Kamitameva Dogdhi Chintamanischintitammeva दत्ते सतां हि सङ्गः सकलं प्रसूते. कल्पद्रुमः कल्पवृक्ष gives what we wish. Kamadhenu gives what we want. Chintamani gives what we think. But the friendship with good people definitely gives us everything. Kalpavruksha, Kamadhenu and Chintamani are all live in heaven. But good people are with us and they always help us. ಕಲ್ಪವೃಕ್ಷ, ಕಾಮಧೇನು ಮತ್ತು ಚಿಂತಾಮಣಿ ಇವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲವೂ ನಾವು ಬಯಸಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಕೊಡಬಹುದು. ಆದರೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಜನರ ಸಹವಾಸದಿಂದ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲವನ್ನೂ ಪಡೆಯಬಹುದು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.